I love you. I love you so much. You're the cutest dog in the whole wide world. You are. It's you. I mean it.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Everybody calm down!
Bad dog.
Excuse me, miss. Excuse me. Hey, excuse me. Can you stop being so cute?
Really, Ghost? Really? You don't know who that is?
What the hell is quarantine mode? What does this do? Oh, dang. Okay.
Sammy, are you really that mad at me? Huh? Are you that mad at me? Because I won't let you go on the counter?
Do not take the burger.
What's in your mouth?
Did you eat the damn burger?
Poor Charlie.
Well, aren't you just the cutest little thing? Hi, Pumpkin. Hi.
Does anybody have any questions? Does anybody? Oh yes, Mara, you. Hi. Oh, you were so pretty. I love you so much.
Hello.
Hello, we're twins, yes sir. I am me, she is she, except when I pretend I'm her. And when we switch, you can't tell which is which.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming to the meeting. This meeting is going to be about all the barking that has been going on today, even though there has been nothing to bark at. So,
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
Oh, are you so handsome? Oh, handsome boy. Smile.
No.
You are my best friend, my only best friend. You make me happy, best friend. And guys are best friend. You'll never know your best friend, how much I love your best friend.
Hey, dude, did I wake you up from a nap, man? Hey, sit. Sit.
Don't go.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
The wonderful thing about tickets is tickets are wonderful things. Their tops are made out of rubber, their bottoms are made out of springs. They're bouncy, troncy, flouncy, pouncy, fun, 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 fun. But the most wonderful thing about tickets is I'm the only one.
Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Please. Please. Oh my God!
Ow.
This is my dog Duck. About 10 times a day I'm forced to come over here because he's dropped his ball. And he just stands. He just stands until somebody gets it for him. Jesus.
You found the mouse? It's up here! Where? What's Hammy doing up there?
Dad! It's down there! Help! It's scary, Dad!
Okay, what, this? Hamilton, this is just a green gummy bear.
It squeaks!
If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin.
Is that your mom? I think I see her. I think I see her, Hermes. She's coming. Don't worry, she's coming. Buddy, what are you doing?
So apparently the people on TikTok like this. You walk in, and boom, puppy. And now, we're TikTok famous.
No! Buddy! No! 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 Back off! Go!
They have the test, but they need the reagents to do a higher volume of tests. When you go back to the manufacturer and say, why don't you decide? What do you want? What do you want?
You guys have to see the stick my big German Shepherd wants me to throw. Hold on. Wait. This big dog literally wants me to throw this stick is what he keeps bringing back. Go get it.